Hey guys, Wilson from On the Mewve. Got another product review here for you, and this is from BougeRV. We have some tie-down straps here, or pull-down straps for an RV awning. And these particular straps are 9.8 feet long. They have a nice handle at the end, and they also have the grooved pin here that slides right into your RV awning rail system. So just as if you would hang lights, you can slide this into that same rail system, and you can use this as a pull down or a tie down. I'd be a little careful with it as a tie down. It will hold it down, but of course if you get major gusts of wind, that can cause some damage to the awning that is attached to the wall of the camper. So easy product to install. Again, just slide this into the rail system and it's in there. Pretty easy to remove as well. All right, real easy install here. These just are going to slide into this awning groove. You can go ahead and take this piece off. You can uninstall the LCI bracket here. It makes it a whole lot easier to put it in. We're going to have to apply just a little bit of pressure to get it in there. We're in. Now this will slide back and forth freely. You can leave it there, you can remove it. I highly recommend on an awning like mine that you remove it, because the plastic does stick out a little bit and it will create stress on the awning fabric. On some awnings you will not have that. You have a little bit more freedom on the awning, or the roller is designed a little bit differently. So you'll just have to see what application works best for you. I will say that for these straps, it would be much better for a manual awning. These would really come in handy. Insert them, you're going to be able to pull your awning out pretty easily. This strap is heavy duty. It's nylon, has a little stretch to it, so it's going to flex a little bit. And you get 2 in a pack for $13.99 from BougeRV. You can find them on Amazon, and I'll post a link down below. So this product from BougeRV, it was sent to me as a gift, and so they asked I do a little review on this, so I do have to put that disclaimer in. Has a nice rubberized type handle where the fabric is around, and it is again 9.8 feet long, so it'll reach pretty much any size awning that you have. Longevity, I believe the plastic is pretty rigid, and definitely the fabric is woven where it does stretch a little bit, so I think that will extend the use. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little product review of the BougeRV straps. And if you did, hit that like button down below. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time out on the Mewve.